Converting decimal fractions into percentages. Recall what the points we covered about fractions in the third chapter of this course. Fractions, otherwise known as rational numbers, are, usually but not always, non-whole numbers that can be expressed as a division between two whole numbers. For example, we have the following shown on screen. Percentages, on the other hand, as explained in the previous tutorial, are closely related to decimal fractions with a denominator of 100. For example, we have the following shown on screen. In this paragraph, you will learn how to convert decimal fractions into percentages. It is the easiest thing to convert decimal fractions into percentages, as fractions of this type are easy to transform with denominator 100. However, if the fractions involved are not decimal, it is possible to transform them into decimal form through a few steps. Thus, applying the rules of equivalent fractions, we obtain, for example, we have the following shown on screen. And so on. That is all for lesson 5.2.1. To continue this tutorial, please watch 5.2.2, Converting Decimals into Percentages. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.info.